This dance is called Down the Road Apiece. It's a 48 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. So we're actually going to start with our feet together, or shoulder width apart, into some twists. So you're going to twist both of your heels to the right, hold, twist them to the left, hold, twist right, twist left, twist right, twist left. So that little section once more then. Twists to the right. 7, 8. Twist, hold, right, left. Step your right back diagonally to the right towards 4:30. Touch the left beside the right. Step the right diagonally back to the left towards 7:30. Touch the right beside the left. Into a modified V step, so rather than making the V, you're going to actually go in a flat line. So you'll step your right out to the side, left out to the side, right back to centre, left beside right. So normally with a V step you would step the first 2 steps forward and then come back. This is literally just on a flat plane. So that little set of steps once more then. Back touches off on that right to the diagonals. 7, 8. Back, touch, out, in, close. Let's add that to the top to our twists. Twisting right. 7, 8. Twist, hold, twist, back, touch, out, in, close. Go forward on some step, lock, steps. So we're going to step our right forward, lock the left behind the right, step the right forward, brush the left. Now remember these brushes, just gentle contact with the ground, with the ball of the foot. Repeat with the left foot leading. Step the left forward, lock the right behind the left, step the left forward, brush that right through. So that little set of steps once more then. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. So add that to the top. Twists to the right. 7, 8. Twist, hold, twist, back, touch, out, in, close. Step, lock, step, brush, brush. Step forward on the right, I'll just shift you back a bit. Hold, pivot yourself half a turn to the left and hold. Step the right forward, hold, pivot yourself a quarter turn left, hold. So there are holds in between each of those pivot steps. So just do that section once more. Step, hold, pivot, hold off on the right. 7, 8. Step, hold, pivot, half, hold, step, hold, pivot, quarter, hold. Now that does make the equivalent of a 3/4 turn. Now I always say, where possible, do try and put the turns in because the dances look so much better with them. However, if for whatever reason you're unable to do that 3/4 turn, try it to start with the music because that'll give you a feel for how fast it is. But if it does make you dizzy, disorientated, or you just can't get the steps in time to the music, then there is an alternative for you. So what you can do is you can step forward on the right, or the equivalent of rocking forward on the right. Hold, rock and replace your weight back on the left. And hold. So that replaces your step pivot half. For the other step pivot quarter, you're going to step the equivalent of rock back on that right, hold as you recover, make a quarter turn to the right, hold. So you will have gone through the same sort of motions as everybody else, ended up facing the same direction, but you take that 3/4 turn out. Optional should you need to use it, but please do try and do the turns first up, and only do the options if you really are struggling. So let's add that to the top, to our twists. Twisting to the right. 7, 8, twist, hold, twist, hold, twist, 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 back, touch, out, in, close, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold. Now we're going to do some heel-toe switches. So you're going to touch your right heel forward, bring the left right beside the left, touch your left heel forward, bring the left beside the right. Now your toe touches are all going to be on the right foot. So you touch the right out, in, out, and then put your weight on it as you step the right beside the left. So that set of steps once more then. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, right heel and left heel and right toe and right toe, close. I'm going to add the next little bit on because it's a similar set of steps but almost a mirror image. So you're going to start off with your left foot. So you're going to touch your left heel forward, bring the left back beside the right, touch the right heel forward, bring the right back beside the left. This time it's going to be the left toe that moves out and in. So the left toe goes out, touches beside the right, goes back out, step on it beside the right. That gets you to the end of the dance. So that last little section with that left heel starting. 7, 8, left heel and right heel and left toe, in, left toe, close. Let's just do those last two sections, those heels and toes. You might need a little bit of practice on this bit. Right heel to start with. 7, 8, right heel and left heel and right toe, close. Left heel and left toe, close. Hopefully you'll get that. So it's the end of the dance once you've done those tricky toe heel switch bits. So let's add that to the beginning, all the way through. Twists to the right. 7, 8, twist, hold, twist, 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 back, touch, out, in, close, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold, right heel and right toe and left heel, right heel and left toe. Now obviously I'm not going to keep calling out the rights and the lefts for the heels and the toes. So I'll try and get it in to start with, but then I'll be dropping it and it'll just be heel and toe and toe. You'll need to remember which foot you're moving on. So that is your dance, but it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Twists off to the right. 7, 8, twist, hold, twist, twist, back, touch, out, in, close, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold, right heel, right toe, left heel, left toe, twist, hold, twist, twist, back, touch, out, in, close, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold, right heel and left heel, right toe, left heel, right heel, left toe, twist, hold, twist, back, touch, out, in, close, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, pivot, step, pivot. Heel and toe and toe and heel and toe and toe and. Hopefully you managed that last walk, because I missed the holds out as well. But that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, six, seven, eight, twist, 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 back, touch, out, in, step, lock, step, brush, step, pivot, step, pivot, heel and toe and toe and heel and toe and toe, twist, 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 back, touch, out and in, go, step, lock, step, brush, lock, step, brush, step, pivot, step, pivot. Heel and toe and heel and toe and toe, twist, 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 back, touch, out, in, step, lock, step, brush, lock, step, pivot, step, pivot, heel and toe and heel and toe, twist, twist, back, touch, out, in, step, lock, step, brush, step, pivot, step, pivot, heel and toe and heel and toe, twists, back touch, step lock, pivots, heel toes, and again, twists, back touch, step lock, pivots, heels, and again, twist, back touch, step lock, pivots, heels, twist, back touch, step lock, pivot, heels, and again. Hope you managed that one.